First of all, they place it in a group of people that really know their work. So most of the learning happens on the job and from the people around you. So if you have a very good skill set around you, you learn a lot from them. So that's, I think, they put in a lot of effort to put you in the right place. So that is one thing. And secondly would be they ask you to come out of your comfort zone. So whatever you may do, whatever you may ask, but you actually work and get your hands dirty on the job. So that is great for a person who is just starting his or her career.
I would definitely say the kind of support that I got from my team, the kind of support that I got from my manager was the key thing which helped me on my path to success. So I feel when you are in a role in Reliance, everybody around you helps make you feel comfortable, helps you move ahead in your role. So I feel that is the support system that you develop in Reliance.
Things why I have liked working here and why I've succeeded at what I've been doing is because of the people that I have come across. I think people are extremely supportive. Wherever I've gone, if I've needed any kind of help, there were always someone to support me, to guide me, to mentor me. Even with the senior leaders, you don't have to, seek time from them. You can just go walk in and just ask them for some time, and they are more than happy to guide you, mentor you. I think that is one of the good things. The other good thing is the buddy system that they have. So every management trainee or an intern is assigned a buddy, which is from a senior batch. So they sort of help you guide through your entire projects. I think that is one of which is a good thing, which is a really important thing as you're stepping into a new environment. So these are two things I really appreciate.